Dito sa ating stator ng Krypton R or source coil ng Krypton R ay may 7 wire. Yan, 7 wire po siya. Yung black, yellow, white, brown, white, red at saka green. Itong black ng wire ng stator, ito yung ground, kabuuhang ground niya. Ito namang yellow, ito yung light coil. At saka itong white, ito yung charging coil. Itong duha, itong papuntang regulator, light coil at saka charging coil, itong white. Ito namang green, ito yung primary coil, ground ng primary coil, itong green. Ito namang red, ito yung positive ng pulser. Positive ng pulser po ito. Itong white, ito po yung negative ng pulser. Negative, white, positive, red. Itong dalawa, itong papuntang pulser. At ito namang brown, ito yung positive ng primary coil. Positive ng primary coil po ito. Itong green, ito yung negative ng primary coil. Bali, itong primary coil dalawa at dalawa sang pulser. Yan. Ito lang po ang kabuuang wiring diagram ng stator or source coil ng Krypton R.